matter, Canara Bank, all these looks very strong to me. Or if you want to stay with large cap, be with SBI. So SBI, Union Bank, Can Bank.
So that's the take coming in from Rudra. Let's understand where the market has opened right now, and it's a 0.3% fall on the Nifty as we see 26,170. So struggling to hold above the 26,200 mark as well. A steeper cut on the Sensex right now. You have Nifty Bank that's also lower by 0.2%. Before we get to some of the stocks that are in focus, just quickly want to see what Trent is doing. It's a 7% cut coming in on Trent on weaker than expected Q3 update, and yes, tall target set by the company going ahead, which seems difficult. So 7.2% lower is where Trent has opened right now. Let's start looking at some of the news makers today. After Trent, let's focus on Axis Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank, two banks rather, that have come out with their Q3 updates. Axis Bank is about 1% higher. Kotak Mahindra Bank doing very well. Remember, strong update from both of these banks. A 1.5% uptick coming in on Kotak Bank as well. Keeping it with Q3 updates, Dabur, they've said that growth trends in the domestic business are likely to be similar to the previous quarter itself. Mid-single-digit growth is what they're seeing. It's a 3.5% shave off on Dabur this morning. Brokerages are also not bullish. In fact, Citi has continued to maintain its sell rating. Let's come to Tata Motors. Due to the cyber attack, they've said that total lost production was 30,000 units in Q3. We've also had provisional updates from Tata Motors as well. A 1.6% cut coming in on Tata Motors PV. M&M, the company has launched XUV 7X. And they say that this is expected to support volumes ahead. M&M doing pretty well for itself, 0.6% higher. Once again, let's talk about Q3 updates. L&T Finance, good set of numbers coming in. Retail disbursement has gone up by 49% on a year-on-year basis. Retail loan book also up 21%, slightly higher than 2.5% move coming in on L&T Finance. IndusInd Bank deposits were down 4%, advances down 13%. So weak Q3 update coming in from IndusInd Bank. Absolutely flat, not much happening on that stock. Let's talk about Divi's Labs. Citi has come out with a view wherein they're saying 2026 can be an inflection year for Divi's Labs, and the company has strong pipeline catalyst over the next 12 months. About a 2% uptick on Divi's Labs as well. And ITC on the back of a brokerage downgrade coming in. Citi has downgraded ITC to a sell rating from buy, lowered the target price to 320 from 500, but that stock is not showing much of an impact of this downgrade, just about 0.2% lower. So this is the way some of the news makers are acting. It's the Nifty metal pack once again doing well. Hindustan Copper, National Aluminium, that's Nalco, Hindalco, Hindustan Zinc. Remember, LME Copper also touched a fresh all-time high of $13,000. So the metal stocks continue to do well. Union Bank once again from the PSU banks is up 2%. You have Nifty Pharma that's holding on to gains led by Divi's, Loris, Alchem, Sun Pharma and Cipla. IT stocks today seeing a little bit of a reversal from the deep cut it saw yesterday. So Tech Mahindra, Persistent Systems, Wipro, all of them in the green, as is the case with Auto, Realty as well. Some of the energy stocks are under pressure, but not much of a cut being seen over there as well. So that is how the market has opened right now. Trent, yes, continues to be under pressure. On the flip side, it's names like Poly Medicure, Blue Jet, L&T Finance. You have Transformers and Rectifiers, yet another 2.5% move. Remember, it was up about 6 to 7% yesterday as well. So good move over there. You have Trent and Dabur as the top Nifty 50 and Nifty 500 losers respectively. SJVN, Premier Energies, so second day of pressure for Premier Energies. Vari as well. Swiggy is down by 2.5% after the block deal that we saw, where Cyrus Poonawalla has bought stake from Serum Institute. So Swiggy continues to be under pressure. And lastly, also want to see what Brainbees is doing. First Cry, as we usually know it, a stake buy coming in from SBI Mutual Fund on the block deal that we saw yesterday. 0.5% uptick coming in on Brainbees, and this is largely how the market has opened. Kunal, we've seen a little recovery from the opening price of Nifty. We're now above that 26,200 mark. Your initial reading on the way we've opened today?
Yeah, it's an soft start, of course, with respect to the overall global cues. But then when you look at this in the context